Visualize your success. Imagine yourself 2 months from now with $10,000 in your account. See yourself using it for its intended purpose. Hey ladies, welcome back to Female Millionaire Mentor, where we talk about building wealth, making smart money moves, and creating the life of your dreams. Today, we're going big with a huge savings goal. I'm talking about saving $10,000 in just 2 months. Yes, you heard me right. Whether you're looking to get out of debt, start an emergency fund, or put money toward a big investment, hitting this goal can be a complete game changer. So why save this much in such a short period of time? Maybe you're ready to take a big step forward toward a financial freedom goal. Or maybe you have a specific milestone in mind. Whatever it is, the power of setting a big, ambitious target can motivate you in ways you might not expect. Plus, it's about more than just the money. It's about developing a mindset that tells you anything is possible. Before we get into it, remember, saving is possible for anyone, but it does take commitment. You've got this. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to budgeting and saving that $10,000 in 2 months. Step 1, set clear goals. The first step in reaching any financial goal is clarity. Start by setting a clear intention for why you want to save this money. It could be paying off debt, building a safety net, or investing in a dream project. Having a purpose is key because it keeps you motivated and makes each dollar you save feel meaningful. Once you have your reason, visualize your success. Imagine yourself 2 months from now with $10,000 in your account. See yourself using it for its intended purpose. Write it down, create a vision board, or even set a daily reminder on your phone. Visualization isn't just about seeing your future. It's about creating a mindset of abundance and possibility that keeps you going, especially on tough days. And remember, saving isn't about deprivation. It's about making choices that align with what you truly want. So get ready. This journey is going to be empowering. Step 2, assess your financial situation. Now that you're committed, let's get into the nitty-gritty of assessing your finances. First, you need to have a clear picture of your monthly income. List out all sources, your primary job, any side hustles, freelance gigs, or even passive income. Every dollar counts. Next, we'll dive into expenses. For this part, go through your spending from the last 3 months. Take a close look at what you're actually spending on. You'll want to categorize everything. Essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Then list non-essentials like dining out, shopping, subscriptions, and other nice-to-haves. Now here's the powerful tip. Identify the cash flow leaks. Those small expenses that seem harmless but add up over time. Maybe it's a daily coffee run, impulse buys, or little subscription fees. Write them all down because awareness is the key to eliminating these leaks. This honest look at your finances is a crucial step in making that $10,000 goal a reality. Step number 3, create a savings-driven budget. To reach our $10,000 goal, we need a budget that's focused on savings. One method I recommend is the 50-30-20 rule. Typically, you'd spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings. But since we're getting aggressive, let's modify this rule to maximize savings. Take a look at your wants category. This is where we'll make cuts. Things like dining out, entertainment, and those non-essential subscriptions. I'm not saying eliminate every single luxury, but be strategic. For example, if you usually spend $100 a month on dining out, try reducing that to $20 or even $0 if you can. Tracking progress is essential. So try using budgeting apps like Mint to stay on top of your finances. These apps help you see your cash flow so you know where every dollar is going and can keep your spending in check. Step 4, increase income sources. Now, cutting costs is great, but what if we could increase our income too? If you're able, let's bring in some extra cash. Here are some ideas. Consider picking up a part-time gig. This could be something you do on the weekends or even in the evenings. Look into freelance work that matches your skills or something simple like dog walking or tutoring. Next, think about monetizing a hobby. Are you crafty? Maybe you can sell your creations on Etsy. Do you love writing? Look into freelance opportunities online using resources like Fiverr.com. And if you're not sure where to start, digital products are a fantastic option. These can be anything from ebooks to printables, and the beauty is that they're scalable, meaning you create it once and sell it over and over. Finally, consider passive income options. Things like affiliate marketing or selling stock photos if you're a photographer. These might not pay off immediately, but they're worth exploring for consistent low-effort income. Step 5, reduce debt and interest expenses. Debt can really drain your savings fast, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Let's address this so it doesn't slow down your progress. Start by negotiating bills. Yes, you can ask for lower rates. Many companies offer reduced rates or discounts if you simply ask. This goes for your cable, your phone bill, or even car insurance. If you have credit card debt, focus on paying down the balance with the highest interest rate. Every bit you save on interest is extra cash for your $10,000 goal. Also, avoid using credit cards during these 2 months. Stick to cash or debit to avoid further debt. If you have a significant amount of debt, look into refinancing options that might offer a lower interest rate. Here are some practical tips for daily savings. Daily habits make a huge difference in achieving big goals. Here are a few tips to save money on small things. Meal planning and prepping is an amazing way to save. Take time each week to plan meals, shop with a list, and cook in bulk. Not only does it save money, but it's also healthier. Another tip is to look for DIY, do-it-yourself solutions. Instead of paying for services, do small tasks yourself, like at-home beauty treatments or working out at home instead of a gym. And here's a big one. Practice mindful spending. Before you buy something, pause. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Does it help me reach my savings goal? You'd be surprised how many times that pause will help you put an item back. Saving $10,000 in 2 months is challenging, so it's essential to track your progress and celebrate along the way. Set a time each week to check in on your finances. Look at how much you saved and any adjustments needed. Reflect on what's working well and what you could improve on for the next week. This helps keep you motivated and focused. And don't forget to celebrate. When you reach milestones, maybe halfway to your goal or even each week, do something small and meaningful to reward yourself. It could be a nice walk, a relaxing evening, or just taking a moment to acknowledge your progress. With focus, dedication, and the right plan, saving $10,000 in 2 months is totally possible. This challenge isn't about depriving yourself. It's about gaining control, making a conscious choice, and prioritizing what truly matters to you. Imagine how amazing it will feel to see that $10,000 in your account, knowing that you did that. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and trusting me to be a part of your financial journey. If you're on this journey too, leave a comment below about your goals or any tips you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more on budgeting, wealth building, and creating the life you deserve. Let's make financial freedom happen $1 at a time.